Calculate the mass of NaCl found when 53 grams sodium carbonate reacts with excess HCl. Okay, so you can write down that is Na into CO3 that combines with HCl. Correct? That gives NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. So this is the reaction. Okay, we have to balance this reaction. So there are two sodium, you can put two sodium. And the rest of the part is, this is 2HCl. Now you can check two sodium, one carbon, three water molecule. That is three oxygen. So here 1 plus 2, 3 oxygen, two hydrogen, two hydrogen. So all are balanced. Okay. So this is the balanced reaction. So you have to establish the reaction first. You have to balance the reaction. Then you take the number of moles that is represented by N. How many moles are the theoretical mole? You can put theoretical mole. Okay. So what is that? 1 mole. This is 2 mole, 2 moles, 1 mole of carbon dioxide, right? And you have to establish the molecular weight for this. What is the molecular weight? For example, what is the molecular weight of sodium carbonate? What is that? Sodium, 2 sodium means 2 into 23, 46. Carbon, 12. Carbon, 12. Oxygen, 16 into 3, 48. Okay. So 94, 96, 106. Right? So you can put 106 is the molecular weight. So this is mole and this is gram per mole. Why? Because it is molar mass. Okay. Then what about this chlorine? Chlorine is 35 plus 1, 36.5. And what about sodium chloride? Sodium 23, chlorine how much? 35.5. Okay. So that is 58.5. So 58.5 is the molar mass of what? Sodium chloride. And water 16 plus 2, 18 gram per mole. Carbon dioxide 12 plus 32, 44 gram. Okay. Now you have to get the theoretical weight here according to this equation. Okay. This is called mass ratio problem. Understand? So here now you have the, you know, number of mole is equal to weight by molecular weight. Okay. This is the basic formula. So from this, you can calculate the weight. So N into M. So by multiplying by mole, you can get the weight. So by multiplying these two, okay, so WT is nothing but NT into M. Okay. So when you apply this, this becomes 106. This is the theoretical weight. You look at here, theoretical weight. And here, 32 into 36.5. How much? 73. This one 2 into 58.5. So 10 balance 1. How much? 116, 117, right? 2 8s are 16 balance 1, 10, 11. So 17. And this one, 18. This is 44. So these are all gram. So this is the theoretical weight. Okay? Clear? Then what is the experimental weight? What is the weight given here for sodium carbonate? 53 gram. Okay. So it is in excess acid. You need not worry about it. And what is asked? HCl reacts and NaCl is asked. The weight of NaCl is asked here. Okay. So you can put X for this. This is the NaCl. So when you divide this, that is equal to this ratio. This is called mass ratio. So 106 divided by 53 is equal to 117.0 divided by X. So you can cross multiply. So X is equal to 117.0 into 53 divided by 106, right? So you can divide this 2 and this one 5, 8.5. Okay. So the answer is 58.5. This much gram. So the weight of NaCl required here is 50, obtained is 58.5 gram. Okay. So this is the way you have to do. You understand this method? So what do you call this method? This is known as mass ratio. Okay.